Shubor nakashlem jong unong san hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala Ubadiru Ubakmi Ikatanat Penroisor Ubak Snya Bahlang Dhar Ulaong Bahalor Kajingpen Kendria Ikinong Shong Di Madan Nang Khandailat Nakaliang Kasorkar Jala Kadang Kami Sanibha Bat Barok Kikam Kijam Kidang Don Hapdeng Kejingakran Ban Pentulun Yakikam Syakman Habakaran Syakikap Tu Kaningut Kilat Bathai Kubor Hakas Ngisat Jan Kah Nyotarik Unopra Arja Arpusau Ubak Snya Bahlang Ulaong Bakinong Shong Di Madan Kideki Briu Jongihi Bat kum kasorkar kanum berat yaki kumtu Hendrai kanya keran bat kanya trelang ringkat bat ki ban penyat bet syakmat yaki kam kenang baan la pat ban bu yaki hakacaka kebabiang dak ba penti kenapat ba enam la ban pendap yakani ke kam menta usnam Hendrai ukar men skam baan la ban le yakani hakapor ke balingkot.
Don't worry, everything is under exercise and they made me and my officer made them. Hokar, we will work nicely with them together. They are our people. We should not throw them just like that only. We will negotiate them properly. We will try to put them in a proper place. Yes, we request them. They may not get whatever they want. Maybe we didn't expect whatever, but we work accordingly together. So finally, I think it will be solvable.
This year, you can expect any?
Not this year, at the earliest possible.
Hak bedi pat halor kejinglet jung Menteri Rangba Kajala Shanong Ba Delhi ubak Snya Bahlang Ulaong bagajinglet jung Menteri Rangba Kajala Delhi kalong ban ya kendo badekran bagi Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng hak bedi bagi katu kani tali kimat jung Kajala kebakenthop ya kejinan kam ban yo ya kejaka yadari bat ban pen kendria ya kinong shong shnong jung ke Harijan Colony napo tham yo molong ngikermen skam bangin la ban weng ya kejing baro hakapor ke balingkot ong ubak Snya Bahlang.
Definitely, he planned to meet some of the union minister. One is defense minister, and it seems seeking appointment with the union home minister also. So I didn't know whether they got appointment or not.
So the agenda will be to
So
discuss
many agenda are there.
Harijan Colony issues.
One is that about this defense land, but many agenda are there.
So you feel that this year any solution will be arrived at this year?
Let's see, because everything is under process. Hopefully, meetings with other union ministers for different purposes also. And about Harijan thing, so hopefully we are able to solve it in a very short time.